So the bottom piece is done, the top piece is the one that's still curing. And I'm 4 days in now, but I wanted to show kind of how I know if it's cured or not. The first is smell. So the very, very strong paint smell is the first thing that you'll notice. It'll start to fade away as the finish cures. Second is by touch, which some people will probably tell me is the wrong way to do it. I don't know. This is the way I do it, and it works for me, so I'm not telling you it's the right way or the wrong way, but I know it works. The finished piece has a very smooth feel all the way across. And I'm very lightly touching it. It just doesn't drag much. The piece that is still being cured, auto contrast is kind of going crazy, still has a slightly tacky feel to it. You can kind of see where it's grabbing my finger a little bit more. I'm sure this is rubbing oils in and making it not cure right and all that, but I did the same thing on this one and it did fine. So I can tell that that is not fully cured yet, and I'm not going to box it up yet until it feels the same as this one, where it's very smooth. It's close, but you can even see the difference there, how one grabs my finger and the other does not. So I'm going to let this sit. First of all, I'm going to wipe the fingerprints off of it with a lint-free cloth. And then I'm just going to let it sit for another few days. At the very least, just check it periodically until I feel like it's done, and then box it up. Alright, we're at 6 days. I mentioned it being able to just slide your finger across. And that's where we're at now. Very little drag. So it's cured. And ready to be boxed back up. That's the two finished pieces. Here is the overall. Let me try to get them all in a little frame a little bit better. Here's the overall look of the completed set. It looks a lot darker in the camera. Let me adjust the contrast real quick. It's going to go way blown out for a second. Not too bad. That's a little closer to what it actually looks like. It's not that dark. Well, it's about there. Yeah, there you go. Cool. Where it used to look something like this. See that by comparison. So we're done. Ready to get boxed up, sent back to Small Arm Solutions, and hopefully they enjoy it. So thank you guys for watching this video series. Sorry for the little bit of unpolishedness of it. Like I said, I was just kind of recording without a mic because I didn't want the mic cord to drag across any paint and ruin it and make me have to start over. So if you're interested in helping support us, please check out our Patreon and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is Jay, and I will see you again soon next time.